After creating an account with Vinty, simply click the List Your Car button in the top right corner of the page, then select your car's category as well as its listing type. You are free to set your own price, but keep in mind that Vinty takes a 20% fee of the total rental. More info on this can be found by clicking on the text below. We encourage our owners to make their listings as detailed as possible, so be sure to include important information about your car and feel free to let people know about its story as well. It's also helpful to include regulations or restrictions placed on the rental so that renters have a clear idea of what to expect. Choosing the rental type describes how the car will be experienced by the renter. You are free to choose a single rental type or a combination of the different options, as you are in complete control of how your car is used. After specifying the car's location and the other features you wish to add, we recommend that our owners include several high-quality photos that clearly illustrate the appearance and condition of both the interior and exterior of the car. Now that your description is complete, click the Post Listing button, and now you're ready to accept rental offers through Vinty.